Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Chemistry Dojo. Today we will go through a question under the topic of basic solution. The question is as follows. What is the pH of ammonium hydroxide solution with a concentration of 0.2 mole per dm cube? Kp of ammonium hydroxide is 1.8 times 10 to the power of minus 5. To answer this question, we can utilize this initial change and equilibrium diagram. We know that ammonium hydroxide in water will partially dissociate to form ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. Initial concentration of ammonium hydroxide is 0.2 and a small fraction of it, denoted as X, will partially dissociate to form plus X for each ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. Under equilibrium, we will obtain 0.2 minus X for ammonium hydroxide, X for ammonium ion and X for hydroxide ion. We can then construct the equilibrium constant as concentration of ammonium ion multiplied with concentration of hydroxide ion divided by concentration of ammonium hydroxide. We can substitute the value as X multiplied with X divided by 0.2 minus X. Because the value of X is very small, we can approximate this term as X squared divided by 0.2. We can substitute the value of Kb as 1.8 times 10 to the power of minus 5, and it is equal to X squared divided by 0.2. We can rearrange this term as X is equal to 0.2 times 1.8 times 10 to the power of minus 5, and this is equal to 1.9 times 10 to the power of minus 3. The pOH of the solution is basically minus log of hydroxide ion concentration, and in this case it is minus log of 1.9 times 10 to the power of minus 3, which is 2.72. We can calculate the pH of the solution as 14 minus pOH here, which is equal to 11.28, and we can approximate it as 11 to achieve two significant figures. And that is the answer to this question. I hope this video can assist you in learning chemistry concept. Please give a like to this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.